Are you a fan of Korean fried chicken but intimidated by the complex recipes? Today I'm going to share with you the easiest Korean fried chicken recipe. It's not only easy to make but also incredibly delicious. With just a few simple ingredients, you can enjoy flavorful Korean fried chicken in the comfort of your own home. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare the chicken. I have 1.2 kilogram. 3 pounds of chicken mini drumsticks that I'm going to trim some dangly skin and fat off. For a quicker cooking time, I make slits in the thick part of the chicken. Next, I place the washed chicken in a bowl and soak it for 30 minutes or overnight in the fridge with milk. The calcium in milk is known to tenderize the chicken and remove the gamey smell. After soaking, I rinse my chicken under running water and drain it. You can save time by patting your chicken dry before adding the seasoning. Seasoning is super simple with just minced garlic, oyster sauce, toasted sesame oil, and black pepper. Mix well. Then add 1 to 2 cups of cornstarch to the marinated chicken. The amount of starch depends on how wet your chicken is, but I add 1.5 cups of cornstarch. Marinate it for at least 20 minutes. If you think the batter is too wet, go ahead and add more starch. Heat up neutral cooking oil in a deep pan of a medium heat. Test to see if you have the right temperature by dropping a small piece of batter in. It's ready. Carefully add the chicken in batches, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Cook the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes until the outside is golden brown and crispy and the inside is cooked. Korean fried chicken is often double fried for extra crunchiness, so I have decided to do a double too. Once the chicken is cooked, use a slotted spoon or tongs to remove it from the pan and place it on a wire rack to drain any excess oil. If you want to keep the chicken warm while cooking the rest of the batches, you can place it in a preheated oven. And there you have it, friends, crispy and flavorful Korean fried chicken that's super easy to make. You can serve it as is or with a side of pickled radish or rice. I definitely recommend you make the radish pickle to enjoy with the chicken, as its taste complements the flavor of chicken beautifully. So the only problem is that you can't stop eating. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep cooking!